Okay, so this is the information given in our problem. We're going to start our hypothesis test. First of all, we need to write the claim, right? We need our null hypothesis, and we need our alternative hypothesis. Which one is the claim? The mean cost of raising a child from birth to age 2 is. Are you with us?
No, ma'am.
I just wanna.
That means the mean equal 9,290.
So which one is our claim?
Oh,
Right? So our claim is equal to, because of the equal sign. Everybody understands when you're doing the hypothesis test?
But we didn't, because we're not gonna have it, I didn't look for it. I didn't
Oh,
look
okay.
for it.
So do you still want to do?
yeah, we're gonna have it.
Okay.
You know when whole, when half,
No?
and blank at this.
Okay. So whenever we have, so let's go through this first. These are always going to be complementary to each other. The null hypothesis, we call this,
Yeah.
is always going to have the equal sign. It's always going to have always equal, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. It's always going to have an equal sign, a form of an equal sign. The alternative hypothesis is either going to be greater than less than or not equal to. Right? It's always, these are always going to be complements of each other. So if we state our claim as equals, then our alternative hypothesis will be not equal to. Okay? If we state our claim, and let me write this all down. So if this is mean is equal to, I'm just going to make up a number, 5, then our alternative hypothesis is going to be the mean is not equal to 5. These are always complement. If our null hypothesis says the mean is less than or equal to 3, then our alternative hypothesis says the mean is going to be greater than 3. Yep. If the null hypothesis says the mean is greater than or equal to 2, then our alternative hypothesis is going to say the mean is what?
Less than.
Less than 2. They're always going to complement each other, okay? Depending on the language in the story, that will tell you which one is the claim or not. So there's clue words that we look for. More than, less than. Would, right? If it was this, it would be, these are the clue words. More than, right? Less than. Not equal to. Rarely we see this, but. And our clue words for the null would be equal, is another word for equals. Greater than or equal to. Okay, so those are some of the clue words we're going to be looking for in the story. All right? So in this particular one, in number 36, it says the U.S. Department of Agriculture claims that the mean cost of raising a child from birth to age 2 in a rural area is $9,405. That's the claim. So what word, clue word is in there in that statement that tells us what our claim is? You see any clue words in there?
Is that not helpful?
There's a clue word, we have to state our claim. Either it's the null or it's the
The
alternative.
mean cost.
Yeah, so there's a word is in there, right? So that means it's gonna be equal to. So is what? Is 9,
29.
No, differently. They say that's a new code. Then you say that's a new code. That's
and then this information is on there.
fine.
Okay.
You need to find. That's a new mean. That's the main of mean.
This is for stating our claim.
Oh, you should have